He's got satchels. He's coming back!
30 seconds left.
So shit, bro.
That was easy.
I've actually got farm going.
Bit fucking windy. We need some curtains. We need wind. Oh, oh. Ah.
What the hell is that noise?
There's still a soldier. Yeah. I'll do it.
Close your eyes.
Neighbouring
Look,
places,
if you
bro.
take out one of his 9s, he won't be getting +5 every time.
Oh yeah, because that's very. If you take out one of his 5s or one of his 1s or one of his 4s, he won't be.
Yeah, but
Bruv.
Luke knows that we're living peacefully now.
Yeah, but so we've been.
Oh, he's done it.
Are you done?
Do we get this hacks for this?
Yeah, I got.
Right.
I mean, huh? Oh my god! Those are 3 in a row.
Oh. I hate you. Stole it off of Luke.
Come over here, come over here,
yes.
come over here. Go up to the corner of that door.
Ah, fucking hell.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
I wonder where she is.
Seren?
Huh? Where is
Are you-
she?
I thought you were blind for a second. Stand still, stand still. Give her a chance, give her. In the hotel, right?
Yeah. He's really, really angry. Ah! Oh my!
Yes. Oh god.
Just bitch slap that.
Watch out!
Ah! For
Oh my god, it got us
sake!
both. It got us both.
No. No.
Last wire is yellow.
Yes.
Cut it. Oh wait, no.
Oh my god, Matthew! Guys, I don't think they know.
Nice one, man.
Scott, you
Guys.
should pull this off. No, there's no way. There's no way.
I have reached the
There's no way.
It folds.
Oh.
Oh my god.
How, man?
What's it?
It's glitched or something. I swear.
Is it gonna be when I boosted you?
Play of the game. It's me. It's me. It's me. Look all my kills.
Oh my god.
Oh,
my god.
oh,
Piss right off, I swear, actually. Please.
I think you'll find it's been an hour and 53 minutes, which is equivalent to 113 minutes.
What the hell was that?